Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create an epic in Jira using a Kanban board. So let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in with your account. Once you are logged in, select your Kanban project from the dashboard. Now to create an epic, we need to use the backlog view. So for that, at the center of your screen, you will see the several tabs. Click on more and you will see the backlog option. Just click on this and here you will see the epics option. If you want to create a new epic, click on the create epic and give your epic a name. For example, epic 5 and click on enter. Now for view the details, click on the arrow beside this and click the view all details option. So this will open a new window and here you can see the details about your epic. So that's it. You have just created and managed epic in Jira on a Kanban board. This helps you to stay organized and focused on your goals. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.